In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Minipay app not working. If you are facing any issue with your Minipay app, maybe the app keeps stopping or you can't open it or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for this option called apps. Now under apps, look for all apps or manage apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Minipay like this, and you can see here it is. This will take us to Minipay app info page, and the first thing you want to do is to force stop the app and okay. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your Minipay app, now it should be up and running without any issue. However, if at this point if you still face any challenge, then you want to check for any update on your app, and you can do this by going to Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. Here, update your app to the latest version. But even after updating, if your app still crashes or stops each time you try to open it, then most likely your Minipay app has bugs, and to fix this you need to uninstall your app and install it afresh. By doing so, this will fix any bugs that might be associated with your Minipay global money wallet app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.